Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. If today is your first time of visiting my channel, you're highly welcome, love. Please do so good to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get my videos as soon as I upload. Yeah guys, I'm back. I miss you guys. I want to use this opportunity to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. I have some few recipes to share with you guys, which you can try out this season. All right. I'll be sharing with you guys the recipes and be posting all of the blog post link in the description box below, and also some of them have um video post link, so they are well explicit. All right, so you try this out for your family this season, and I bet you um you will love it. So these are amazing recipes, and like I said, give it a try. So this is Abacha, aka African salad. So this is an appetizer. Next is fried rice. This is a delicious fried rice. Please try it out for your family and loved ones. This is peppered liver, so delicious. This is peppered chin chin, crunchy and sweet. So try it out for your family this season. You'll love it. Poached egg, the Nigerian style. I bet you it is a breakfast treat you always want to make. Try it out. This is a nutritious garden egg leaf soup. Guys, you will love this soup. This is my yummy pancake. Try it out. You thank me later. Oh, this is my spicy bomo or cowskin. So spicy. Just surprise your family with this. This is a delicious, crunchy coconut candy. Wow, my yummy Christmas cupcake. Guys, you love this cake. Just try it out. My Ukazi soup. Oh, very delicious. You will love it, guys. Pepper soup. Wow, this is a cool treat for this weather, Hamatan weather. Guys, this is assorted meat pepper soup. Oh, this is my homemade cookie. You can try it out and use it as a cola for your visitors. Wow, basically these are the recipe I want to share with you, so you guys could try it out this season. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. See you. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Bye.